this beast over here. Now that's got some amazing components which is sold at our Vishal Computech SR Arcade store. Hello viewers. The customer says that this is an AI rig. So let's learn more about this beast from the customer directly. Hello.
Hi.
Thank you so much for choosing our Vishal Computech store. Can we know your name and where you're from?
I am Dev and I am from Ichapuram.
That's amazing. So you said this is an AI rig and this is built with a 5080 graphics card like Ryzen 9. So what exactly is the purpose of it and how did you find your experience while getting this built for yourself?
I am tech lead at Spinabot. We are actually a ecosystem, a automation platform.
Okay.
We build AI agents, workflows, chatbot builders, AI crew. Really trying to help humans along with AI.
Okay, that's some spectacular thing, guys.
I need a very hard system, very heavy system for voice agents and all. So for that reason, I chose this one. The experience here was very good.
Okay.
I came here, I checked the PCs, I've done all the research.
Yeah.
I've tested them here, and after then, I've got my quotation and I got less price compared to other stores, and then I have built it here completely from scratch.
That's amazing. He has checked all the demo pieces over here. You can also check. So how did you find the pricing? Did you compare from any other stores and all before doing the research?
I have compared in Bangalore, even in Delhi and here. So I felt here it was comparatively minimal for me. So I got it at good price compared to other markets.
And how did you find our store, the aesthetics and the staff response?
The store is very big. I didn't expect this much to be there. After coming here, I sent my videos to my company people also. They were also happy for this rig, and this would really improve my company's performance and productivity for sure. And I'm thankful to Vishal Computech.
That's amazing, right, guys? So would you refer our store to your friends and family?
Sure. That is a sure thing.
Thank you so much. So guys, that's the customer's response after purchasing his PC at our Vishal Computech store. And if you also want to own such amazing beast rigs, do visit our Vishal Peripherals and Vishal Computech stores, or you can log on to www.vishalperipherals.com. For more such tech updates, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.